What's going on everybody? Welcome to the DETA Studios. Today we're gonna be show you how to set your Wi-Fi auto connect after turning on Wi-Fi. So at first go to your home screen and you need to find out settings on your device. So you see I mark up here is my settings and I'm click on it. Then again you need to find out a Wi-Fi option on your settings. Here is the Wi-Fi option. I'm click on it. After turning on your Wi-Fi, find your Wi-Fi configuration name. Here is my Wi-Fi configuration name is Capsicum and I need to set my Wi-Fi, so click the arrow mark. After clicking, you will see an option Auto Connect. If you find this option, then turn it on. After that, you will notice whenever you will turn on your Wi-Fi later, it will connect automatically. Here you can see I have turned off my Wi-Fi and I am again turning on Wi-Fi. Now you will see a tick mark, which means it's successfully connected to my Wi-Fi. So that's it guys, that's how you can connect to your Wi-Fi on your device. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to watch like this more videos, then must be subscribed to get update from our channel and show us your love by sharing our videos. See you guys on next video. Stay tuned with us. Tata.